Rong Sang Colonia Pohnpei State COVID-19 Task Force men bachewan sa karekaway pokon makayon pachatan waniyen slasil en kapinsalet te somao COVID-19 wiwiya ro pachota ong railakan bebachewan wiwiya tatokan pererekan railakan mesamparwan isak pachota o railakan mesapalman kita chingalan kukowa Mech bacawan peyan kawait kan ong rail magachin te bacawan luwacheng kapinsalet te somao COVID-19 awyaw to kay wuni ban pilleleto ong kupurakan sangeran wach bacawana railakan mesompar paisak bacota lelemisak tuwa pilkaker kachkita bacawan to kan silasil ang kapinsalet te somao COVID-19 to kan silasil ang kapinsalet te somao COVID-19 Pachota ni Public Health, Pelipelian Manwanian Pohnpei. Pelian Public Health kan pachawan ristak lakwalo na maysang, lel kulak lamaw na sauchuk sang niyet len niyalem. Karos memanyang kachkita pachawan takan sila silang kapinsalet te somao COVID-19, pan anane aute tataropwe, mon tokaban pachota. Tokan sila silang kapinsalet te somao COVID-19 watch, kunwiyawiyong nipe, o ban pachota bakriyaw nan erinrari sa kwalo nan pungay. Sang nakaway 10 billion US Centers for Disease Control, uniyan sila silang kapinsalet sa somao COVID-19 watch, eso check kaper o palpen parere, ebachpacho ni percent wisak bayo pointeo. Laler ni January sa kwano pari 3 sa kayo, irailakan makachkiyar te pachawaner tokan sila silang kapinsalet te somao COVID-19, Ebachpacho nime kit riyab kutuwayak o wini sila kit walubuki bil alal tiyar. The Pohnpei State COVID-19 Task Force would like to inform the general public that the first batch of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccines are available and currently being administered to frontline and essential workers, individuals 60 years and older, and those with underlying chronic medical conditions. This is in line with the guidelines to prioritize people considered most at risk and vulnerable to COVID-19 for now, while more vaccine supplies come in to cater for other eligible persons. As of today, individuals 40 up to 59 years old are also now eligible to receive their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. The Moderna COVID-19 vaccine is now available at the Public Health Division, Department of Health and Social Services located across from the Pohnpei State Hospital. The Public Health Division is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Eligible persons will be required to fill out a brief questionnaire before they are vaccinated. The vaccination is voluntary. The Moderna COVID-19 vaccine is a 2-shot vaccine with the second dose recommended to be taken 28 days apart. The shot is given in the muscle of the upper arm. According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control, the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine is safe and about 94.1% effective in preventing COVID-19 illness in people who receive the recommended 2 doses. As of 26 January 2021, Pohnpei State has administered 1,290 doses of the vaccine, having received an additional 3,800 doses. Thank you, Kalanganan Kupurkoros o Kasalelye.